Hello.
You are not visible, sir.
Now,
Oh, yes,
am I visible?
yes, you are visible. After
Okay.
so long time, we are talking each other. So how are you, sir?
Yes, I'm fantastic, fantabulous. What about you, sister? Just tell me. I want to know about you. How are you?
I'm good and everything is fine in my life.
Okay, it should be. It should be. Everything's fine. Will be.
Okay. So tell me, how was your day so far?
Yes, my day have been nicely.
Okay. So how was your yesterday? Because did you watch a match between India and Pakistan?
Yes, I forgot. I forgot to watch India and Pakistan match because 5 days before I remembered that 23 February match is going on between India and Pakistan. But yesterday I went to market and I forgot that yesterday night was the match between Pakistan and India.
Okay. Actually, my husband is still my home and I watch it, but only last part. And my husband, kids, and every person in my family also a big fan about the of the match. And from the noon onwards, and we they was focus on TV. And when India win, they all are very happy and my children also burst cracker outside and celebrate yesterday day, and I felt like that it is a festival at our home. And it's very proud when the India beats Pakistan in the match, and I feel very proud. We all are an Indian that time. It's very proud
Yes,
moment.
yes, yes. You was very happy, and your family was happy, very happy. I was very happy, and all Indians was very happy because we all belong to the Indian, and we love our country very much. You love our country very much. I love our country very much, and all Indian people love the Indian country very much. So that's why they are celebrating just like a festival after winning the match of India and Pakistan. India won the match, and India just defeated, not defeated. I cannot use defeated, but they just beat Pakistan by 6 wicket. I think that. But last part I watched, but as an Indian, so we all should celebrate because we all love our India very much, and this is called our nationalism. So we all should will have the quality of nationalism because we belong to the India. We love our country so much because I love my country very much, very much, and
Me
especially village
also,
area.
and I proud myself. I'm an Indian.
Yes, yes, yes. And if anybody will say me that I will give you 1 crore rupees and you will go to the America, so I will never will go to the America because I love my country very much.
Yes, you are right. We all are very crazy for match.
Yes, yes, yes. Not crazy for match, but whenever comes to match between any two countries, so on that time, especially for India and Pakistan, so on that time, India and Pakistan match, I generally every matches I watch. For India and Pakistan, but if the match will happen with the another country, just like South Africa and just like Australia and New Zealand and Sri Lanka. So on that time, Indian people are not taking interest to watch. But when comes to the Indian Pakistan match, so everybody has interested. They left their food, they left their eating, they they left their appetite and everything. They just took a holiday, just takes a holiday from the office and just sit down before starting to the match and after and they starting from the starting and to the ending just sit there stuck with their chair.
You are right. You are right. I agree with you. So,
Yes,
sir,
yes, yes.
you are live in Blaze. So, what do you like most in Blaze life?
Yes, yes, because I am just standing and walking on the edge of wheat field, and I am just talking to you and walking to you. So if I am walking, so it gives me my physical energy, and if I am talking, so I it improves my spoken English. So what I am doing, and I am just checking out whether my field having water or not water, and whether any kind of kettles coming to eat my wheat plants or not. So just like village life is going on, fresh air is I am taking, and natural is things everywhere, greenness you can see behind me. This is a wheat field, and you can see behind me, and all greenness. The main difference of the town and the city is that town and village life is that. But I like village life very much.
Yes, I like also most Blaze life because everywhere greenly. And most of the thing I like about the Blaze, every people very respectful and humble. Whenever you visit their home, they also offered a milk curd matha, a big glass, and on the other hand, in the city, no one asks about yourself and about your family. Oh, and in the Blaze everyone respect and talk to us with love. And I remember that sir pata hai, we visit 6 months ago my mother-in-law Blaze, and every person see us very happy. And when our car arrived and we got out from the car, so everybody curious to know about us and who had come from the city. And after seeing us, everybody very happy and talk to us with very love and our welcome with respectful. And when we visit someone home and went for a walk here and there, so everybody treated us as a home family member and offered a curd matha and milk a big glass, and they feel very special. And I stay there 2 3 days, and when I returning the home, everyone gathered to say goodbye us, and everyone say to us please come back soon. And that thing I like very much amazing according to city. I'm very happy to Blaze life.
Yes, yes, but city people, see, I'm not telling that city person are selfish, but they are busy with their lives. They are busy with their works. They are busy with their office work. So they are not caring about the others. What people are sitting there. Even if you are living in the same building, the other person don't know about you. If you are living in quarter number 113, and other person are also living quarter number 112, so you don't know about the other person room, and what they do, and what their profession is do, and what time they go out and what time they come inside the room, you don't know. So that kind of problem is not happening in the village area. If you will come to my home, so all people, if all people, all lady people, all children, all grandmother and father, if they will see you, then they will stop and they will leave their work, and they will stand in nearby you in order to know that who are you. And after that,
Yes,
if they will, yes, yes. After that, if they will know, village people will know that this lady and this sister has come with in the Rajiv home. So they will just sit beside you, and they will tell you, they will respect you, sister, 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 and daughter, please come to my home. And they will offer
yes,
you one glass of water, and they will offer you chapati. They will make paratha for you, and they will eat you. If you will not eat, so they will catch your hand, and after that they will they will just try to force, not force, but they will some force, but love, means that love force. They will just
yes.
yes, yes,
Not
they
like
will.
her. also make us feel like a family member. I
Yes,
like,
yes, yes.
I like it.
Okay, okay. And whenever they will go to the field, they will tell you, just why are you sitting alone, just come with me, and let us go for the moving in the field, you will get enjoy. They will get very very, and they will get enjoy it very. So everything will be fine in the village area. So in this village area, and every village people are like, and they are good behavior and helpful person. If anything will happen, any crowded and any fight will happening in the village area between two people, so all surrounded peoples just come and gather them, and just they try to solve that problem. But in if you will fall, if you will fight in the middle part of the city, so nobody will come to you, and they will run away from that places also.
You are right. You are right. So, sir, how is your practice going on?
Yes, yes, my practice is going on, but I have not been talking with any kind of person from last 1 month, because my mobile has gone dead. So from last 1 month, I am not uploading any kind of conversion video in my YouTube channel, and I have not been talking with any kind of person. So I am not able to upload in my YouTube channel. So my practice is going on fantastic, and from yesterday before I bought my new mobile phone, and I started again practicing, and I am practicing. My practice is going on, and I left my practice for 1 month because of my lack of mobile. So I again started my practice in English. Hello, 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 hello. Hello.